Hey guys, how's it going? It's Manny with Htx Tv coming at you. And today I was looking at some things online, and like I said, I decided to change things up a little bit. And today we are going over cannabis stocks. So, one of the big questions is, okay, I hear that they are doing well. You can make money with it, all that good stuff. Things are looking like they're trending up. After the recent elections, this last few months, a few more states have made it legal, so that makes total sense for the cannabis market and exactly to invest in it as well. So here it says the cannabis stock investors didn't get the blue wave they were hoping for in the U.S. election, but all five state marijuana legalization measures on the ballot have passed. Recreational and/or medical was legalized, and it was Arizona, Mississippi, Montana, New Jersey, and South Dakota, increasing the potential geographic footprint of cannabis multi-state operations, or they call it an MSO. Unfortunately for cannabis investors, there may not be. Here are the cannabis stocks. The first one is Afria, traded as APHA, and flower price depreciation has been a major issue for all Canadian licensed producers, or LPs. However, analyst Pablo Zuanic says Canadian LPs like Afria could have positive collateral benefits from the U.S. election, assuming that everything works out well, afterwards. Federal legalization may still be at least 2 years away, but decriminalization of the adult cannabis flower plant potentially could be, not in their schedule. So, but cannabis could boost in Afria and other Canadian LPs. Zuniak says Afria has multiple positive catalysts ahead in the near term, including a rise in exports. Cantor Fitzgerald has an overweight rating of $8.95 price target for Alpha stock, Alpha. On to number two. It's called Organigram Holdings. Say that 10 times really fast. Organigromings. Excuse me, I apologize. But the Canadian LP Organigram has had a brutal year in 2020. Zuniak says Organigram retail sales trends in the third quarter were relatively strong compared to the other Canadian LPs. However, high-fried cannabis sales data for October suggests Organigram sales were down 25% month over, compared with a 5% decline for overall Canadian retail market. Organigram has disappointed investors with a sluggish revenue growth and cash burn, but Zuniak is optimistic the company will find its way to profitability and growth in the long term. So right now they're rating it as a $4.07 price target for the stocks. So next one is Cresco Labs, and it says while Canadian stocks are struggling, the U.S. multi-state operators like Cresco Labs are thriving in the second quarter. Cresco beat consensus analysis sales estimates by 30% and exceeded their earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization expectations by nearly 200%. Zuniak says Cresco's 42% sequential sales growth in the second quarter was the best growth rate among all Cresco's large MSO peers. So definitely look at Cresco Labs. It is in the U.S. and it is actually thriving. So it's right now, it says the rating is at $16 priced target for the stock. So definitely look into Cresco Labs. Next one is Curaleaf Holdings, spelled Curaleaf. Curaleaf Holdings. I can't talk today. Curaleaf Holdings is a U.S. MSO that operates in 23. One of those states is New Jersey, which may represent the largest opportunity among the states that has legalized recreational marijuana. On election day, not only will Curaleaf benefit from the New Jersey market, but Zeranik says Curaleaf will likely draw customers from neighboring states as Pennsylvania and New York. It's reported it has an impressive 142% revenue growth and 180% gross profit for the whole year in the second quarter, and holds a leadership position in key states. Cantor Fitzgerald has an overweight rating and about $18 price target for the CURLF stock. So definitely looking to Curaleaf Holdings, and they're traded as CURLF. Definitely check that out, guys. And on to my next one, Green Thumb Industries, traded as GTBIF. Green Thumb Industries is a U.S. MSO that operates in 12 states, including California and Florida. Zuniac says Green Thumb has the best risk profile of Cantor's top MSOs. Green Thumb has expanded its footprint in Illinois and Pennsylvania without overextending its balance sheet. It already has a sizable presence in New Jersey, and Zuniac is projecting revenue that will grow from $527 million in 2020 to $982 million by 2022. So definitely check that out. And he's saying it's priced at like $29 price market or so. That's what I'm just reading from the website. And like I said, guys, do your due diligence. Anything I say on here is strictly for entertainment purposes only. Just good, credible websites I'm checking out. But definitely check it out for yourself. Don't take my word for it. Just small disclaimer. All right, back to it. Next company is Trulieve Cannabis Corporation, and that's an MSO, operates primarily in Florida. Okay. Zuniac recently hosted a call with Trulieve CEO Kim Rivers. After speaking with Rivers, Zuniac says he is confident in Trulieve's ability to maintain a dominant market share for high-growth Florida medical marijuana market. In addition, Zuniac says Trulieve has a significant opportunity to grow its business in other states, including California, Massachusetts, and Connecticut. Finally, he's optimistic Florida voters could legalize recreational marijuana in the 2022 midterm election. So they're saying its rating is at $60 price target for future stocks. So that's actually the highest I've seen so far. I guess this list. All right, my next one is GW Pharmaceuticals, traded as GWPH. Unlike the other cannabis stocks on the list, GW Pharmaceuticals is a biopharmaceutical company focused on developing cannabis-based drug therapies. So that could be really good, big, huge in the medical marijuana field. So the company's lead drug, Epilodex, is approved by the Food and Drug Administration for treatment of pediatric epilepsy. Cantor Analysis Charles Duncan says GW's third quarter Epilodex sales exceeded his expectations. He also sees several bullish catalysts for GW growth through the end of 2021, including further into adult patents and additional rollout into Europe possibly. So he has a rating of, it could be a future at price at $165 once on the market. So actually that was 8. I think I told you 7 earlier, but yeah, these definitely check these out. I'm going to be looking more into this stuff later this week, and those are some big opportunities to invest. Definitely check out your investing sites. But that's all I got for you guys today. Yeah, if you're if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget, just like Stephen Graham says, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I will chat with you guys soon. It's Manny with Htx Tv with your financial tips. Talk to you later, guys. Have a good one.